Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about one of the hottest tech debates of 2025, Blackbox AI versus VS Code. Which one actually helps you code faster? Let's find out. So, let's start with VS Code. It's completely free, super lightweight, and works on almost every platform. Developers love it because it's fully customizable with thousands of extensions. Whether you're building a React app, a Python project, or a full-stack system, VS Code has you covered. The IntelliSense feature makes coding smoother, and the built-in debugger is top-notch. Plus, with GitHub Copilot integration, you get AI-powered code suggestions right in your editor, and that's a huge time saver. Now let's talk about Blackbox AI. It's not trying to replace VS Code, it actually works inside it. Blackbox AI is designed to make coding up to 10 times faster with advanced AI features. You can literally turn any question into code, or even extract code snippets directly from videos. That's something VS Code can't do on its own. The pricing starts at around $8 a month for the Pro plan and goes up to about $100 for enterprise-level features. But here's where it gets interesting. While Blackbox AI gives crazy fast results, many developers say they don't fully understand how the AI generates the code. Teams using it have reported up to 40% higher productivity, but it also means becoming dependent on something you can't fully control or explain. So what's the verdict? If you're just starting out or on a tight budget, stick with VS Code. It's free, stable, and extremely reliable. But if you're an experienced developer looking to boost productivity with AI and don't mind paying a bit, Blackbox AI could be worth the upgrade. Just keep your expectations realistic. It's fast, powerful, but still evolving. If this video helped you understand the difference, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tech comparisons like this. Now tell me, which one would you choose for your workflow? Drop your answer in the comments below.